Here's where the cabin filter is located on the 2009 Nissan Rogue and how to change it. You're going to come in on your driver's side here. You're going to come down and then just take a Phillips or just pop off that panel and then come in here in the back. Back in here, that's where your filter is, inside there. So if you take Phillips or a flathead here and then pop off the cover. And then there it is. There's your filter, and then you can just, I'm gonna need two hands, but you just pull it out and then put in the new one. Put the cover back on and then put that cover back on. So if you come in way in the back there, pull it out, replace it.